Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about null pointer exception in Java in brief. Null pointer exception in Java is an unchecked exception defined in java.lang package and comes when a member of an object either field or method is called on an object which is null. There is no address for it. Null is a keyword in Java which means nothing, and calling method on an object whose value is null will result in null pointer exception. There is no address or there is nothing in that variable, nothing initialized to that. If you try to access that variable, you will be getting null pointer exception, and it's an unchecked exception. Since default value of object is null, if you call any method or access any field on an object which is not initialized, it will throw null pointer exception. Let's see an example so that you can understand. I have a list here which is null and I'm passing that list to this method, okay, and I'm trying to do some iteration. Surely on this object a method will be accessed, but the value for the list is null. Since it is null, it will throw a null pointer exception. Let's debug this and try to understand. So I'm creating a list with null value and I'm passing that null value here. The moment it try to access some of the methods in this null list value, okay, so we'll be getting a null pointer exception. Just for demo purpose, I'm catching the null pointer exception, but it's not a good practice to catch the null pointer exception. The best practice is, before trying to access any object, you can check for null. If you are suspecting, you can check for null condition, then you can access it. Otherwise you will be getting null pointer exception. So better check if it is null or not, then you proceed accessing on that. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.